Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel, a place where we share extremely useful flower care tips to help your garden stay lush, healthy, and vibrant all year round. To give you more options when caring for the plants in your garden, especially to help weakened plants recover and bloom again. Today I will guide you through a completely new organic fertilizer formula. This formula is very simple, easy to make at home, and suitable for most types of plants, helping them grow healthy and bloom regularly throughout the year. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to Wonder Garden so you won't miss out on useful tips for caring for flowers and ornamental plants shared every day. And now, let's get started. The ingredient I'm using today is 1 fresh lemon like this. First, I'll peel off the lemon zest and remove the flesh inside. Lemon peels contain a high amount of natural essential oils, organic acids, and beneficial micronutrients. When used properly in organic fertilizers, they help inhibit fungal diseases, limit harmful bacteria, and support plants in strengthening their resistance and absorbing nutrients more effectively. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After obtaining the lemon peels, I will chop them into small pieces to help the nutrients and essential oils inside be extracted more easily during the soaking and fermentation process. Cutting the lemon peels into small pieces increases their contact surface with water, allowing beneficial active compounds to be released more quickly and evenly, thereby enhancing the effectiveness of the organic fertilizer solution when used on garden plants. Put all the chopped lemon peels into a clean glass jar. The next ingredient I use is coffee. I will add about 2 teaspoons of coffee together with the prepared lemon peels. Coffee contains many micronutrients, especially nitrogen, which helps plants develop healthy, lush green leaves and enhances their overall growth. Next, I add about 1.5 liters of hot water to the jar. The hot water helps extract the essential oils and natural acids from the lemon peels, while also dissolving the nutrients contained in the coffee. When lemon peels are combined with coffee, the resulting solution helps stimulate root development, supports faster plant recovery, enhances resistance, and creates a strong foundation for plants to bloom more vigorously and evenly. Then, close the lid and let the solution steep for 3 hours. While waiting for the solution to soak, I will make use of the peeled lemon to give the plant some preliminary care. I use half a lemon, squeeze out the lemon juice. Then dilute it with about 500 milliliters of clean water to reduce the acidity, making the solution safe for plant leaves. Method 1. Once the diluted lemon solution is ready, I use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth soaked in the solution to gently wipe the entire leaf surface, including both the upper and underside of the leaves. This method helps remove dust, eliminate some harmful bacteria and fungi on the leaves, while making the leaves cleaner and more glossy, improving air circulation and photosynthesis, and creating favorable conditions for the plant to grow healthily and absorb nutrients more effectively in the next care steps. In addition to cleaning the leaves, diluted lemon water also helps remove and naturally prevent pests and harmful fungi from settling on the leaf surface. Thanks to its mild acidity and natural essential oils, lemon water helps inhibit the growth of disease-causing bacteria and fungi, and limits small insects such as aphids and thrips. This keeps the leaves clean and healthy, while reducing the risk of disease spreading in the garden. When used at the correct dilution, it is a safe, gentle, and plant-friendly care method. After 3 hours, once the lemon peel and coffee solution has soaked long enough, I will strain out all the solids and keep only the clear liquid for use. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 2. I pour the diluted solution into a spray bottle, then mist it evenly over the entire plant, especially the undersides of the leaves, where pests and harmful fungi often hide. When misting, the solution helps clean the leaves, reduce harmful bacteria and fungi, while also supplying micronutrients from the lemon peels and coffee. This helps the plant grow stronger, leaves become greener, and resistance increase, creating favorable conditions for recovery and stable growth in preparation for the next flowering stage. Indirect mist spraying creates an invisible protective layer on the leaf surface, helping to prevent the invasion and development of pests, bacteria, and harmful fungi. This protective layer also helps strengthen the plant's natural resistance, reduces harmful insects from settling on the leaves, and keeps the foliage clean, well ventilated, and healthy. Method 3. Pour the diluted solution into a dedicated watering container. Then apply it directly to the base of the orchid and the entire growing medium. When watering this way, the solution gradually penetrates the root zone, allowing the orchid roots to absorb nutrients slowly and effectively. The natural compounds from the lemon peels help inhibit harmful fungi and bacteria in the growing medium, while the coffee provides additional essential micronutrients that support stronger plant growth. Watering directly at the base also helps improve the root environment, stimulates new root growth, allows roots to anchor more firmly in the growing medium, and enhances water and nutrient uptake. With a healthy root system, the orchid will grow more steadily, develop thicker, greener leaves, and build a strong foundation for producing buds and blooming evenly and beautifully in the time ahead. Results. After caring for the plants using organic fertilizer made from lemon peels and coffee, you can clearly see the positive changes in my garden. The orchids begin to produce new roots. The roots are strong, with green tips, and firmly attached to the growing medium. Some orchids have already started to develop new flower spikes, showing that the plants are recovering well and accumulating enough energy to enter the flowering stage. Not only orchids, but anthuriums also show very promising results after applying this method. The leaves become sturdier and glossier, the plants grow more steadily, and they begin to bloom with flowers that are more vibrant and longer lasting. This shows that when we care for plants with healthy organic fertilizers, they not only grow strong from the inside, but also develop sustainably, producing flowers more evenly and beautifully over time. What do you think about this plant care method? Leave your thoughts in the comments so we can share and learn more experiences together. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel to discover more simple yet effective plant care tips in upcoming videos.